Hello, dear viewers. Today we will take a look at the Chase Ink Cash credit card, which is perfect for business owners looking to earn cash back on their expenses. With the Chase Ink Cash card, you earn 5% cash back on the first $25,000 spent on purchases in the categories of office supplies, internet, phone services, and cable TV. You also earn 2% cash back on the first $25,000 spent at restaurants and gas stations, and 1% on all other purchases. When you sign up, you can receive a welcome bonus of $750 cash back if you spend $7,500 in the first 3 months. This is a great opportunity to boost your business income. The annual fee for using the card is $0, which makes it especially attractive for small businesses. However, if you do not pay off your balance in full, the interest rate can range from 15.99% to 21.99%, depending on your credit score. Let's list the main advantages of the Chase Ink Cash card. 5% cash back on office expenses and services, 2% cash back on restaurants and gas stations, welcome bonus of $750 cash back, annual fee of $0, fraud protection and no liability for unauthorized transactions. 130 to 150. Disadvantages of the card. Now let's consider the disadvantages. The interest rate can be high if the balance is not paid off in full. Cash back is limited to $25,000 in each category, not suitable for those who do not spend much on office expenses. Now let's see how to apply for the card. On the website, you will need to fill out several fields: your name, address, social security number, income, and information about your business. Make sure all the information is entered correctly to increase your chances of approval. Overall, the Chase Ink Cash credit card is an excellent choice for business owners who want to earn cash back on their expenses without an annual fee. With numerous bonuses and advantages, it can become your reliable financial tool.